Hey friends, it is Christmas Eve 2024. I can't even believe that I'm saying that out loud. It's crazy. And in honor of Christmas, we are going to try to finish Mini Madness. That's right, we're going to try to finish it. If you're wondering if this is my robe, the answer is absolutely yes, it is. And yes, I am still sick, but I will say that I went to the doctor yesterday and I'm very thankful that I did because I have an ear infection and I needed an antibiotic. So I'm very happy I decided to go. I started my antibiotic yesterday, and even though it may not sound like it, I actually am starting to feel a tad bit better. So that is good news. Okay, so let's do it. We have $50. Here is the condensed version that's going to go in here. And then this is the broken up version, 5s, 2s, and 1s. And I am hoping that 50 is enough. I was going to do 40, and then I said, you know what? Let's do 50. Let's make sure we have enough money to finish it, and hopefully 50 will do it. I think it will, so we're going to see. And let me tell you where this money came from. This is from actually an Etsy payout I got on, I think it was the 18th of this month. I just never did anything with it yet. It's just sitting in my account. So this is just a little bit of money from that payout. I think it was around $300. And also with that payout, I did fully fund my taxes. I needed $31 more to fund that. So yay! Super, super excited about that. And a huge thank you, because without you all supporting my Etsy shop, this stuffing would not be possible. So thank you so much. And let's get going. We are not going to roll today. We're just going to go through the challenges and just try to finish them all up. So let me know how you are. I don't know when this video will go up. I actually wanted to have a video up today, but I started editing it. I needed to do a voiceover for that, and honestly, my voice was just so stuffy, and I tried a few times and I just stopped because, yeah, it was just a mess. So, I don't know. Hopefully I will be not stuffy within the next couple days, and I'll be able to edit that video. But we will see. So this video actually will maybe potentially go up before that. That other video I'm referring to is the DIY coffee bar using Temu items. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned because that will be coming. Okay, so we have some roll and saves left here. The question is, do I want to cheat and use a 3-sided, or do I want to try to go big and use the 6-sided? I think because we're just starting out, we have $50. I'm going to use the 6-sided because more money is always good. So let's just kind of go here, go through this and see what we get. And if it starts to become a lot, I might switch to the 3-sided. Okay, so we got a 3. So I can handle that, and as I go, because I have a few 5s here, I am going to exchange for some 5s until they're gone. Another 3. I feel like I didn't really roll that great, but that's okay. All right, and then last but not least, a 6. Okay. So we finished challenge number 3. And yeah, so since this video will be coming out after Christmas, definitely, 2, 4, 5. I'm going to take these back and put a 5 because I will not be editing tonight or tomorrow, Christmas Eve or Christmas Day. I hope that you had a wonderful Christmas. I hope Santa brought you everything that you wanted. And let me know in the comments, how was it? Did you get any gifts that you're super excited about, that you absolutely love? If you have kids, what did your kids get? Let me know. Oh, is this done? I think this one's already done. Yay. Okay. So we're good there. Let's move on to this little scratcher and let's see what we're gonna get. Okay, this is $1. And if it annoys you that I am wasting time by scratching the entire thing, I'm very sorry, but it's just so satisfying on the lamination. Okay, so $1 there. And then we have $3 here. Yeah, you guys, I am just absolutely like I just am in disbelief that it's Christmas Eve. Again, another Christmas is coming, and then it's going to be time to take the decorations down. Let me know, are you someone who leaves your decorations up? Do you take them down? This might seem hard to believe, so I'm going to take 5 back over here and take a 5. I love Christmas so much, but I take my decorations down really fast. Like, I'm talking usually the day after Christmas because then it just kind of makes me sad to look at them. I don't know. I just want everything down. I also like to do it while I am off work. I usually have the whole week off of Christmas, which is the same case this year. And yeah, I just like to get it done while I'm out off of work so I don't have to worry about it. And yeah, so I know that might be surprising to some of you because you know how much I love Christmas, but that is who I am. Okay, $3 here, and we are working through these challenges, you guys. All right, let's see. So on this one, we have 1 and a 2, so we're gonna finish those off and put $3 in. And I am very, very curious to see how much this binder is gonna make me. 2, 4, and 5 coming back out. Let's see if we have 5 ones here yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. That's our last 5. Okay. So now we don't have to do any more exchanging. So yeah, let me know, when do you take your decorations down? Now, once I take the Christmas stuff down, I like to decorate for just like the winter season. So some of the things will stay up as long as it's wintry and not Christmassy. And I just honestly feel like the house is gonna look so plain without all the Christmas stuff. Okay, $5, 2, 4, and 5. I absolutely love my decorations. I love my fireplace all decked out. I love my bathroom with lots of red and green and stuff. And so it is going to be a little sad. It's going to look a little plain, but what can I say? Before we know it, we'll be decorating again next year, right? Okay, $2 here. And I am still working on some new Etsy items, you guys. So for my next Mini Madness, I know I said I was maybe thinking about splitting the money this time between my Festive and Feisty Christmas binder and a new binder. I think that is what I'm going to do, but 2 and 4, those binders need to be finished. So we'll see how it all works out. All right, another challenge done. Let's see, this one is done. We are getting down to the money, you guys, but ooh, we're getting down to the challenges. Okay, wait. I think we only have a couple left. There's 2 challenges. So we have these 3 and then 3 on here. Yes, can we do it with what we have left? I sure hope so. So yeah, look for a launch, as I said, coming out in early January. I have so many ideas to create and so little time, so I don't think I will get all the stuff finished that I want to finish by the launch, but of course I could always have future launches. I just want to get some new products out there for you guys because I know it has been a while, and thank you for, you know, understanding and, you know, being patient with me and still supporting my shop even though I haven't had anything new in a while, because you all know it's been crazy town around here with us moving and everything else. As far as the moving status, let's see, $5, 2, 3, 4, 5. You guys, we only have $4. I think we're gonna be short. No. Okay, now I'm kind of kicking myself for using the 6-sided die on the roll and saves instead of the 3-sided. All right, here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna finish this and pull what we need because I am not leaving 2 scratchers left in this binder. All right, the last 3 scratchers. Let's see how much money we're gonna need to add into this. As I was saying, as far as the other house, I know I said I wanted to have it cleared out by the end of the year. I would love to, but that's just not going to happen. We are down to it though. Pretty much we just have the basement, which is like the basement, and my office. It's like the actual basement and a finished room off of the basement. 1, 2, 3. We have $1. So that's basically all that's left, which feels really nice. But it's still a lot. Like there's just a lot of stuff. So $1. Okay. So not bad. I mean, if the most we'll probably have is 5. I don't know how much Fred is going to be worth here, but at least we only have to pull a few dollars. So yeah, it's just a lot. So I still need to get there. Maybe, because I'm off now from work until January 2nd. So maybe over this next week, while I have some time off of work, I can go over there and spend a few hours every day and things like that and try to get that cleared out, because I would love to have it done by the end of the year. If it doesn't get done, which I'm assuming it won't, by the end, then, you know, maybe the first week or so into January, I'll still take that. All right, $3. So that's not too bad. I'm just going to pull $3 from here and put it with this 50 that we're going to put in. But you guys, we finished it. Yay. Okay. So the final count up, I think we were around $250 last time. So let's put everything together and see how much Hey Boo saved us all together. So we have 50, 100, 150, 200, 220, 40, 60, 80, 90, 300, 3, 10, 11, 12, 13. 313. Yay! I'm going to write that on here because I am going to add this in when I total up my finished savings challenges for 2024. Yes, I am so happy that we finished this by the end of the year, you guys. That was a goal of mine, even though I never really spoke it out loud. It was something that I wanted to finish. Yes. And now, even though this video might be a little bit long, we are going to go ahead and put this right where it's going. And you know, if you've been here, you know exactly where this is going. So let me get everything prepared. Bam. Okay, this is going into my $1,000 challenge and we're gonna finish it. Yes, I am so excited about this. This means I could start a brand new challenge in 2025. That feels so good. Okay, so this is my 25 low income savings challenge book. This is available on Amazon and we are gonna finish this. Yes, let me move some stuff out of the way here. And what did I say? 313 or something like that. Let me get the whatever this thing is that you color with, the pen. And let's see how much we actually need to finish this. Okay, let's do it. So we have 10,
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80.
180. So we're gonna have money left. What? That is amazing. Okay, 50, 100, 150, 170, and 180. Yes. Oh my gosh, so much yes. Let's grab the envelope, put this money in, and make sure we have $1,000. I am so excited about this, you guys. Also, looking at this, I think I might take this money out of daycare. I think it's about $200. I was leaving it there for a while just in case I needed, like, you know, a little backup in paying for daycare for a while, but it is a line item in my budget, and so it's always paid for. So I budget that out before I pay, like, give myself any spending money, do any sinking funds or any savings challenges. So it's always paid. So I might take that 200 and put it towards something else. I just have to figure out what that is. Okay, let's count this up. 5, 6, 7, 50, 800, 850, 900, 9, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 1000. Oh, yes, yes, and more yes. Yay! I am so pumped, you guys. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wowza. So now I'm actually thinking, because we have a decent amount, 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 30, 1, 2, 3, 133. I am feeling like I want to do like all of my savings challenges. I have a bunch of Christmas savings challenges that I'm doing right now that I know I won't finish with just the last paycheck that I have. I'm feeling like I kind of want to do a separate savings challenge stuffing, and I think that is what I'm going to do. Yes, so that's going to give me another video. I am not going to put that in this video. That will make this way too long. But look at this beauty. Just look at it, you guys. Yes. I am so over the moon excited to have this done. We finished Hey Boo. Bye-bye. And I don't even know what to say. We are done. I want to do some more challenges in my books though. So maybe we will be bringing back this book soon. We'll see. All right, that's going to be it for this one. I'm going to put this money aside. I'm not going to film the other video right now just because time constraints. But I am going to set this aside. I am going to have that video coming. And yeah, as I said, I don't know when exactly this video is going to air, but thank you so much for watching till the end. Once again, I hope you had a wonderful Christmas. I hope you are having a great holiday week, whatever you're doing, and I hope you have a happy new year, and I just love you guys so much. Thanks so much for sticking with me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.